cut this off. Cut this in the middle like so. And this is so I can put in the double D radio. Break that off, throw that away. Slide into a little track. This is my left side. Right. Screw. Alright, so we got the radio mounted. It'd be cool if I could plug it directly in and it works, but that's not the case. Alright, so let me wire this up real quick. .12 volts power from the key. Cap that off with a crimp cap. Lock it down. Constant battery power. It's gonna give me my 12 volts from my memory. Lock that down. I'm gonna leave the ground for last. I'm gonna do the front speakers, which is straight white. Straight white for my speakers. Tuck it in like so. Lock it up. Connect my speaker wire. Front left negative speaker. That's the white with the black stripe. Front right positive speaker, which is my gray wire. Negative speaker that's coming off my front right speaker, gray with the black stripe. Seal it off, crimp cap, and we just cap that off. Okay, so we're not using that on this particular car, so we can just cap those wires off. The rear speakers are amplified, so in this case I'm not using the rear speakers. You found it?
Yeah, I went to the gas station because I went to Pep Boys.
They want too much?
No, they didn't have it. Like they have one that's opened already. I was like, the fuck is this?
Yeah.
So I went to
Let me ask you something. You got the adapter plug? I told her about the adapter. Do you only got this one plug? That was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna need the antenna adapter. They might have it in there. It looks like this. Or you can just, I don't know what this is attached to. Just tell them you need an Audi or Volkswagen antenna adapter.
Antenna adapter?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can just cap these speakers off. Yeah, like so. This is our remote turn on. So remote turn on from the radio is this blue wire. Let me just double check behind the radio because the radio has a couple of, oh, it tells me on the radio. So our remote turn on, this is power antenna, this is connector B, I'm assuming, from the radio. So this is our main harness. Okay, steering wheel. This is connector A at the bottom, and that's for our speakers. So connector B is on top, which is this right here. So our power antenna is coming out of this, as well as our power, our power remote turn on is coming out of this, which is this blue wire. So I'm just gonna tie these together because this car doesn't have a power antenna, so it doesn't really matter. But if your car has a mechanical power antenna, you're gonna definitely want to separate the wires. Otherwise, every time the car is on, the antenna is gonna go up. That's for your older Hondas and stuff. So I gotta figure out which wire is which, and what I can do is look at the radio. This is the original factory radio, by the way. And I can just look at the diagram. It's gonna tell me what is the antenna. So where is our antenna? K-line. This is, I'm assuming, the power antenna. So that's going to be in this little plug over here. So that line this up like so. Makes sense, don't it? So our power antenna, if I'm not mistaken, is going to be next to the power wire, next to the constant. So it's going to be next to the yellow wire. So I can just easily slip this empty pin. You got to be careful not to put it in the K line. The K line is the data line. You do not want it in the K line. So it goes right next to the 12 volts. So again, just to recap, this icon right here next to the power wire, which is your yellow, is your antenna icon. So in this case, in this particular radio, this wire, which they leave out because sometimes the pin location could vary, you just got to determine which is the right pin location to put it in. So with the plug facing this direction, this is from the back opposite side, you just want to insert this pin right next to the yellow wire, which is your constant 12 volts. This way you can get antenna reception. And that's it, folks. And that's all you got to do to get the antenna amplifier reception. Alright, so I guess this is the thing that you guys all have been waiting for. To bypass the video, you simply just ground out the this green wire is the video for the brake. You just ground it out permanently. And that's it. Connect that like so. Clap. So all the wires that I'm not using, I just cap them off, because these radios are very delicate and you don't want to burn out these radios. As you can see, this is a Boss radio and it's on the cheap spectrum. So you want to at least protect these wires from shorting out. This is my reverse camera wire. I may be able to connect this. I'm going to ask the customer if she would like a reverse camera. If not, then we cap it off.
Can I see the piece that you were asking? Alright.
This. It looks like that. That's from the back end, and then it looks like this. So it's gonna stick out, but the back is gonna look like this.
It's like they have them, but they look like, you know, like the headphone plug, but thick.
Yeah, that's how. Yeah.
That's how it's supposed to look.
But they're supposed to know the exact one to give you though.
Like,
we got the antenna adapter. This is your easy to do it yourself kit. This is a universal antenna adapter, which is real nice and neat. So it's the little spider. Alright, so we got our Nissan. We got our Chrysler. This is our standard radio adapter. VW for this car. Pass-through VW. And our GM. So let's get this party started. Let's get this party rolling, baby. Alright, so that's in there. This is, so I guess that's all we need. And let me just pull these out. Plug this behind the radio. And insert the radio into its proper permanent fixture.